Hey besties, I've got some diet subs today. These are Italian roasted chicken and broccoli and bell peppers with spicy jalapeno, and they are very low calorie. So thanks for supporting me on my diet, and I am learning a whole bunch of new stuff about food. So yeah, thanks besties. Bismillah. Take a bite. Once again, I've got somebody watching me through my glass doors. But this time it's a kid. Sometimes children ride their bike down my street. They're super friendly kids. The one that's riding down now, he keeps riding past again and again and again and again. And like, he stops outside my house. He's only young. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but he looks like he's 10 or 11. And he stops with his bike. On the road outside my house and looks at me eating. I don't know what he's thinking. I've never spoken to him. It's one of the neighborhood children. And yeah, I guess he's getting a live mukbang right now. He ran away. Oh no, there he goes on his bike again. Kids are brutal. Kids are absolutely brutal. They're like, what the fuck? Don't get me wrong. I think when I see kids riding bikes, I think it's great. More sriracha. Yum. More aioli. I love these squeezy bottles. They're so handy dandy. So, to reduce calories, I hollowed out the inside of the bread and pulled all the fluffy bread out, so it's just like the bread casing. Like, I'm one of those people, if I eat too much bread, I just pack on the weight. I fried the vegetables in oil and butter. And threw in the Italian smoked chicken, mixed it in, a bit more oil, a bit of seasoning. You guys, it's so flavorful. Absolutely love it. Kids. So cool. It's like a whole bag of spinach. I put that in with the meat and veggies. So nice. To anyone interested, the other thing I'm doing is I'm timing my eating. I'm doing timed eating. So I'm not eating super fast, but like I noticed that the timer hit about 8 minutes and I thought I'll just stop here. Because there's only so much you can eat in that time frame. And that's going to reduce my calories. Like if I kept eating for like another 4 or 5 minutes, I might eat these ones as well. So I just figure it's a great way to save on calories. And I feel like this morning when I had the bakery stuff, I was just having like one bite or a little bit of each item. Whereas before I might eat like all of them. So, just small changes like that. I'm just, I'm going to naturally lose weight because, you make these changes and there's no going back. I'm going to be skinny. I'm going to be dippy, but I'm going to be skinny. So, yeah, thanks for supporting me. It's like really encouraging, and I'm just so excited. I'm not doing it to be hot, I just want to be healthy. So, and I want to fit in the plane seat because I'm going to go to Egypt soon and fly Emirati Airlines. Of course, on economy class because I'm a brokey, but that's okay. It's okay to be a brokey temporarily. Temporarily. I might, I've been looking for ideas. If anybody's got ideas of how to make money in Egypt, because I've been thinking about like maybe starting a goat farm. That sounds weird. It sounds weird. I've had goats before, so that's why I thought of it, okay? Um, but yeah, I want to make money because I don't want to be a brokey in Egypt. That wouldn't be fun. And mukbang's fun, but I'm not making money from it, so it's a hobby. It's a hobby that I'm trying to make into a job. But you know what? I would also like to be a goat farmer. If you've got any other suggestions, like and places to visit in Egypt, like just tell me. And don't worry about what part I'm staying in Egypt. It's irrelevant because I could just go anywhere in Egypt and go to any place. So it's not a massive country. Um, yeah. Love you, besties. Bye.